How to check your Grubhub Plus membership status. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can check your Grubhub Plus membership status. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Grubhub app. So open it up, you can open up your website as well. So it's completely fine either way, just make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then what we'll do is head over to the account section on the bottom right corner. After you head over there, you will find on the top your name and hi. After that, you will see right below it Grubhub Plus. So there you'll find manage plan option. You can tap on that. After you tap on that, you will see that you can basically enjoy your benefits as it says right here. You'll be able to see your Grubhub Plus membership status. So you can see what this is. So here you'll see Grubhub Plus since July 2025. So if I tap on enjoy benefits, it will take me to Grubhub Plus section right here. This is due to, I've just selected trying Grubhub Plus for free. So if I tap on this, it says right here that I am basically a Grubhub Plus member and I can enjoy these benefits. So yeah, that is how you can check your Grubhub Plus membership status. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.